Hi, girl, you caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling to something the light of your face. Yeah, it suits you for the way he laughs. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the one so unequal to? This is the way from the time a chance for the ever identify. You and I feel like funny share, honey bear soup, and you and I feel like lighting jasmine. Let's make it happen. Bye bye.